In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote with Todoist, a powerful duo for staying organized by seamlessly combining note-taking with task management. Whether you're juggling a busy schedule or simply looking to enhance productivity, integrating these two platforms can make a significant difference. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to get them working together. First off, the tool you'll need to act as a bridge between Evernote and Todoist is Zapier. If you don't already have an account, head over to Zapier's website and sign up. Once you're all set and logged in, you'll see an option called Create a Zap. This is where the magic happens, so go ahead and click on it. Now let's set up the first part, which is the trigger using Evernote. Find the trigger event called New Note in Evernote. This means that every time you create a new note in Evernote, it will kickstart a series of actions in Todoist. Ensure that both your Evernote and Todoist accounts are connected to Zapier. You'll need to log in and grant Zapier permission to access these applications. After connecting your accounts, you'll have the option to customize the trigger. This can include selecting specific Evernote notebooks or tags that should initiate the task creation in Todoist. Tailor it according to your workflow to ensure only the most relevant notes are sent over to Todoist. With the trigger in place, it's time to set up the next part, the action. Choose Todoist as your action app. Then you'll decide on the action event, which in this case will be Create Task. This will allow you to map notes from Evernote to tasks in Todoist. When mapping these fields, think about what information is essential to carry over. Common mappings include using the note title as the task name, note content as the task description, and setting a reminder date in Todoist based on your Evernote notes' due dates, if applicable. After all fields are mapped correctly, you'll want to test your work. Click on Test and Continue to ensure that the automation functions as expected. If everything looks good and the test is successful, you can go ahead and click Publish. Now you're ready to create tasks from your Evernote notes. While in Evernote, click the Share button on any note, copy the note link and paste it into a Todoist task. You can enhance task details by adding due dates, priorities, or labels directly in Todoist. If your tasks require further detailed information, link them to the relevant notes in Evernote to maintain context. And with Todoist, you can manage deadlines and set reminders to stay on top of everything. By following these steps, you'll have a seamless integrated system that keeps you organized and on task, using the best of what Evernote and Todoist offer. So go ahead, give it a try, and streamline your workflow today.